Sige.
Hi, welcome to MaqLinz cottage. I have here my colleagues. One is a science teacher, the other one is a daily teacher, Aljun. While drinking our coffee, Rani Boy has something to ask about science. So maybe we can talk about it now.
Yes, good afternoon. Hi guys. I have a question to Sir Makin about science. Okay, Sir Mac, what is I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Why or why is it that there is an earthquake?
First of all, my dear friend, we'll talk about plate tectonic first. So plate tectonics refers to the movement of plates. It has been said, and we already know, that our planet is an active planet, meaning there is a constant motion of materials inside, especially the molten materials, because also of the presence of radioactive materials which continuously gives off heat, and because of the motion of these molten materials below the earth, it gives this rigid part, upper part of the earth, the lithosphere, a slight push or pressure or force. That is why we come up with the three types of boundary. We have the convergent, divergent, and transform fault boundary. So because of the motion of these three types of boundaries, we can have earthquakes.
Okay, so now I know, and you know what is the answer why we have earthquake, because Philippines nowadays experiencing earthquake. So guys, I hope you learned something from Sir Makin.
In addition,
Yes.
we have the convergent plate boundary. The convergence or meeting or collision of two plates. It can either be the collision of two continental plates or collision of a continental plate and an oceanic plate, or a collision of two oceanic plates. Now here's what happened, Rani Boy, when
Yeah.
two continental plates collide, just like what happened with India and Asia
Yes.
several million years ago. Since two continental plates are having the same density, none of those plates will subduct. Instead, the leading edge of these two colliding plates will just push upward, creating mountains or creating mountain ranges, and that's the result. The collision of India and Asia resulted to the formation of the Himalayan mountains, and it is coupled always with earthquakes. And when the continental plate collides with an oceanic plate, take note, the oceanic plate is denser than the continental plate, so the leading edge of the oceanic plate will subducts at the subduction zone, creating a trench. And take note, once this leading edge reaches the mantle, it will melt, and because of convection current, these melted materials will move upward, creating volcanoes and also creating mountains. So that is where mountain building also happens, and formation of volcanoes, and also trenches, which are the deeper part of the ocean.
So
While yes,
meaning to say, that is the reason why there are mountains. There are mountains today
yeah.
because of
That convergence of the continental plate and an oceanic plate, and also the convergence of two continental plates, the creation of mountain ranges. And the other one is the divergent plate. That is what we're going to discuss next time, because some of our friends is
Okay, so
shouting.
thank you. I hope you learned something from Sir Maki, no? So good.